15-year-old boy sexually assaulted a 6-year-old girl at daycare. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 15-year-old student of Buckfield Ochoria St. Anne is scheduled to face the court following an incident in the parish on Saturday, January 27, 2024. Reports from the Ochoria's police are that a 6-year-old girl was at a daycare facility when the accused barged in on her in a bathroom where he sexually assaulted her and subsequently had sexual intercourse with her. A report was made to the police and an investigation was on into the matter. The accused was later taken to the police station by his relatives, where he was charged with rape and grievous sexual assault. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.